Hello everyone, I'm making Kung Pao Chicken today. Marinate the cut chicken. A little cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Dark soy sauce, a little color matching. Grasp well and stir the chicken. Just stir until the diced chicken sticks to your hands. Lock in the moisture of the chicken. Then add the right amount of oil. Grasp well to prevent staining when cooking. Diced carrots and cucumbers. Prepare a little dried chili. They said ginger. Dice garlic. Make a sauce. Add 15 grams of sugar. A little chicken essence. Dark soy sauce. A little color matching. 1.5 spoonfuls of aged vinegar. Burn oil in a pan. The oil temperature is 30% hot and the diced chicken is scattered. Slide in about 30 seconds. Just fry until the chicken essence changes color. Fry for 10 seconds. Fry well and pour out oil control. Add the right amount of oil to the pan. Stir fry until fragrant. Add dried chili pepper. Then add the green onions. Add diced chicken. Stir fry evenly and then pour in the prepared sauce. Fire, put the soup steamer. Get wet and oil before serving to increase the cooking of the dishes. Just stir fry it a few times.